Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a new arrival. This is a 2023 Boston Whaler 15 Montauk. We'll start off with the boat's exterior color, rather. This is the new Platinum gel coat, really sharp with black graphics and hull stripe. We also did an upgraded black rub rail with stainless steel insert on this boat that accents that really nicely. Trailer shown is paired with this boat. This boat is powered with a 60 horsepower Mercury command thrust 4-stroke. We have a live well in the back, rod holders and cup holders on either side, 6 rod holders total. Fuel tank is beneath the helm seat, which has a adjustable backrest, so you can sit facing either direction, which is great if you're fishing off the back end, or if you wanted to create more of a leaning post. Very comfortable position to operate the boat from, in addition to just seating. Nice high backrest, big thick cushions like you expect from Whaler. Great boat and very comfortable boat to operate. We do have the Bimini top on this boat with black canvas, stainless steel Bimini top. Also at the helm, we have a 7-inch display from Sinrad. Throttle controls, rocker style toggle switches for our bilge and navigation lights. Cup holders and a charging port, 12-volt charging port on top of the console. Coming around to the front, you'll have a touch point everywhere on the boat, as Whaler really puts in a strong emphasis on safety. So you have a big solid stainless grab rail on top of the console. Nice high backrest again on this cooler seat. This is a 36 quart cooler, igloo cooler. Nice bow cushion for this boat as well. That folds up really nicely if you want to get it out of the way to do any fishing. Anchor locker is located in the bow up here as well. We equipped this boat with the low profile grab rails up front, which also gets you the trolling motor panel. So this boat is pre-wired for a trolling motor. It's ready to fish. Very easy boat to navigate up here if you're throwing a casting net or doing any fishing up from the bow. Big oversized stainless hardware for your navigation light and your chalk. But overall, this is a great, simple boat from Boston Whaler. Really easy to maneuver and navigate. Great for younger families or even kids. We've also got some tackle storage as part of the fishing package here on the starboard side console, and designated area to mount your fire extinguisher. If you have any questions about this boat, again, my name is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. We're off Daniel Island, 142 Sportsman Island Drive. Take exit 23A off Highway 526. And give us a call at 843-747-1889. Thanks for watching.